How is everybody today? I am awesome. I have a very special video today. I've been super excited about this. I haven't told you guys though. I wanted to wait till it arrived. I have partnered with my first partnership, sponsorship kind of thing, with a company called BeeBeeCraft. And if you watch Kim Newberg, you know that she's already done some things for them and gotten some beautiful things from them, beautiful crafty supplies. So I contacted them, and the links will be down below actually, for their website and for all of these different products. And as well, you can participate in the YouTube, the affiliate program. If you have at least 100 subscribers, yeah, you can contact them and see if you can do this too. They let you choose a few products, and you get to unbox them. And then, yeah, in a few future videos, I'll be making some things with the things I've received. Now, I did open the package to make sure that that's what it was. Wouldn't it be horrible if I got here and I was like, here's this awesome craft supplies, and I open it up, it's like a set of bed sheets I forgot I ordered or something. That would totally be me though. Totally on brand. Yeah, so I just wanted to make sure that's what it was. I didn't take anything out, but that is definitely what it is. So my memory is very short, so I don't remember everything I ordered, I don't think. So I'll be just as surprised as you guys. All right, so let's start with this. What is this? Oh, I think it's trim. Having recently organized all my trims, I knew I had a shortage in some colors, including black, but I mean, that's not why I ordered this. I ordered this because, oh my God, look at it. It's sun and moon and stars. Isn't that amazing? I'm not sure yet exactly what I'm going to do with it. I know some of it's going to be used come Halloween time. But yeah, I might do maybe a little something else with it. I did just make valances for my craft room, for my studio. So I might I could add this and it would look pretty awesome, I gotta say. But yeah, anyway, it's like a lacy trim. It's a fabric trim. I would say probably like polyester, but yeah, it's a lace, but it's so unique. Like you see all these other laces and stuff, and it's like, oh, okay, yeah. But I've never seen anything like this before. This is just a beautiful trim. It's more like the super, super elegant trims that you get for like, yeah, like home decor kind of thing, like the ones that are on the bottoms of curtains and things like that. But I am very, very happy with this. And it's so large too. Like you would think something this elegant, you'd only be available to get, you know, little teeny tiny, but this is amazing. It would look awesome too as like a shelf. Ooh, I could put it on my new neon shelves, like a shelf trim. I had that in my old studio. In one of my shelves, I had double-sided tape, and I put some little lace on there. But this is just, look at that. It's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And there's definitely a few meters in here. I want to say probably 5? 3, 5, does it say? 3 yards. Yeah, 3 yards. So that's plenty. I will be making some things out of that. I'm very excited about that. Oh, this is the one I was most excited about. Deb and I are, well, I'm not yet, but Deb is working on her strawberry shortcake journal. So I want to be working on mine soon. And I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness, these are amazing. What I did too, I tried to order like some different things. They have a variety of things on the website. There's like beads and yeah, laces and trims, and there's like papers, and there are like paper crafting supplies, like embossing folders and rubber stamps and things like that. Yeah, so I tried to order a variety. I didn't want to order all one kind of thing. Oh my goodness, look at this. Those are beautiful. Beautiful. So there's pink background, and then there's the black background. Isn't that adorable? Oh my God, that's so adorable. They're so bright. Bright and glittery. I cannot wait to make something with those too. I've been doing everything with trims lately, so yeah. All about the trims. Ooh, yes, this. It's a lot. I forget how many, but I'll put it down below. I think there's like 100 in there at least. Let me see. I'll get a little tray here to dump this out. Where's my tray? I just had one here the other day, or yesterday. Yeah, it's a bunch of, oh, here we go. It's a bunch of little findings and beads and things. So for making charms and dangles, and I think they all already have little like eye pins in them with little loops. Oh my, look at that, it's a tulip. So yeah, some of them have joiners, so that can be, you can put something on the top and the bottom, and then some of them have like the head pins. But oh my goodness, this will be so handy in making charms. Guys, look at that. It's wire wrapped. So handy in making charms. Okay, this screams Sailor Moon, like completely. Very much go with my craft room. Look at that. It's corn on the cob. That's so cute. Be cute in a little summertime journal. So my plan with these is to make a bunch of dangles, things like that. Oh, look at that. St. Patty's Day. Maybe I'll have to come up with St. Patty's Day craft. 'Tis the season. But there's so many different, like some of these little cute turtles. I think they're like turquoise. These little eyeballs, and just there's such a variety. So cool. Look at that. That's a starfish. Oh, that might have to go in the magical journal. Isn't that great? Like there's so many of them. Oh, so pretty. I love that they're they already have the pins in them with the little hoops, so you can just connect them to something with a jump ring and away you go. You don't have to worry about stringing it through. Like, you know, I do that with beads. Like you gotta put the little pin through it and make the little hoop and stuff, but these are already done. That's why I was like, oh, that's a great idea. And then all the little like pearls, little imitation pearls. Oh, look, they have like a little spacer there. I never thought to do that. Oh, that's nice. And there's a variety of sizes and colors and shapes and themes. So yeah, strawberry journal. Hello, look, it's got a little dangly white flower on the bottom. That's so cute. So yeah, very excited about these because I was like, yep, I'm gonna get something, you know, I can make some dangles with. So like I said, yeah, they have a huge selection of beads. It's just ridiculous. They're beads and charms and things. I gotta say, I had a really super hard time choosing a few things to review because I was like, I want everything. Okay, let's see what else here. I'm gonna take this out. Oh, that does have something in it. Okay, I wasn't sure if that was just padding. Okay, so I also, of course, ordered a couple of paper crafting specific things because, you know, since I'm primarily a paper crafter. I mean, who am I kidding? I do everything, but oh yes, okay. So I don't have many dies to begin with, and I don't usually buy many, but these I was so tickled with these. What these are is they make hole enforcers. So like at the tops of tags, but they're all different little like shapes. I cannot wait to give these a try. Like, look at them. And then like it punches a bunch at once. So like, that's nice. You don't have to keep, you know, punch the same one over and over and over, run it through your die cutting machine. But isn't that cute? There's little gears, little, like little flowers, like little daisies, little houses or arrows. Make me think of a birdhouse. Gears. Oh, okay. Gears, arrows. Oh, they're different gear. Oh, that's cool. I guess maybe that one's not a gear. It's kind of rounded. Could be a flower. Could be both. Gear, flower. Arrows. And then the little squares that'll have stitches on them. That's what these little bumps are. It'll show up as stitches, I assume. Then round ones. Over here, round ones with little dots in them. Little rounded stars. Oh, these are like a bolt. Like a hex nut. And flower. Butter. Oh, I got these upside down apparently. Butterflies. Hearts. And what is that one? What is that? I don't know. I really don't know. I'll have to punch them and see. I think, is it just like a random shape kind of thing, like a little abstracty thing? And then that's really cute. You can fold that over, right? Do it and then fold it over your tag. Yeah, so I'm super excited about these. Like, it's funny because it's something so little and it's just like a little tiny detail, but it's going to add so much to tags. And I mean, you can cut out anything like scrapbooking paper or painty paper or whatever. So yeah, I'm super stoked about those. And last but not least, embossing folders. I only have a couple embossing folders too. I had bought my my machine, my crop machine or whatever secondhand at like, I don't know, Value Village or something. So I didn't have a whole lot of embossing folders and things with it. So I was really excited to try these. And actually, it's funny because I was watching some embossing YouTube videos the other day, and I was like, oh, there's some really neat techniques I wanted to try. So what I ordered, yeah, was I ordered like background textures kind of thing. That's my jam. With rubber stamps too, I try to, you know, choose ones that I can use for a lot of different things. So backgrounds. Oh, these are awesome. Oh, wood green. I don't remember that one. That's cool. waves. That is so adorable. And then little dots. Oh, I didn't remember that one. Oh, it's like little dandelion floofs. That's cool, because I do have a dandelion stamp too, rubber stamp. I'll have to do some dandelion things. Yes, that's awesome. So yeah, this is my haul from BeeBeeCraft. They, yeah, they sent me this stuff to try out and do a review on. So I will, yeah, I'll put all the links down below. None of the stuff cost a lot of money to begin with. Yeah, I was really impressed with their prices for the most part, definitely. Especially with the beads. Like, I noticed that the beads, a lot of them you get like a huge amount of beads too. Like, you buy like, you know, it's like 4 strands of beads, and it's like, that's a lot of beads. That's awesome. But yeah, that's why I kind of got this, the little mixed bag kind of thing. I figured I'd give, you know, I got little bits and pieces of a bunch of different things. So yeah, I am very excited about this. Yay! Thank you to BeeBeeCraft for accepting me into your YouTube affiliate program. Yay! And I'm excited to get crafting. Yeah, definitely. Very excited. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. And like I said, check out down below all the links. And keep your eye out, because I'm going to be posting a few videos of things that I make with these, or I'm going to make them in the video, whatever. Yeah, so I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye.